Nonya koyo chali wange Shemista Styles and Fashion ajja kuba akola bulungi. Kale 2024, everyone is finding a grip somewhere. Buli omu alina kyeyekwatako okulaba nti omwaka gutambula bulungi nnyo era nga ntumira ku basuubuzi mwenna. Kakati waliwo omukyala gwe bayita Baby Gloria. Erinnya erya Baby Gloria lyamukalirako but yayingira game nga kaana kato. Kayimbye bye kayimbye. She's been an ambassador for so many big companies. Now, her latest venture, kasazeewo keegatte ku film industry era kati kazanyika firimu 2024. Baby Gloria oligwe mwalaba mu bulango Baby Ndunya mu bulango obuwe butyo. Baby Gloria yayimba kwegamba she has got a new purpose for life era kati muzanyi wa firimu and excited. Kati soke tumulabeko babadde batongoza one of their movies enteekateeka eno bwe yatambudde n'ebiruubirirwa bye byazzaako mu movie industry.
What does it portray you in this Kampala Cream, this reality show?
This reality TV show, at first I was like, Banange, people have never seen me like this. No one has ever scratched me like that. But then also, I think it's a privilege, it's a good platform, it's an amazing space, it's a huge space, and I thank God for it. Nebaza Yesu.
Are we still doing music?
Yes, we're doing music.
Do you have
I'm multi-talented, Nabidi, brand ambassador, endorsements, reality TV show, digital marketing. There's a lot. To really half-baked music yet I got time. Because it's my ministry. I do have songs in store. To really half-baked. Because zino fulumanga eddala for real sikumala gayimba sikwagala kuba hit naye ennyimba zigenda okunyiga ebiwundu by'abantu ennyimba zigenda okuwonya emmeme z'abantu to preach the gospel and everything. So yeah.
How do you see yourself evolving from the Baby Gloria to the Gloria?
I think I've really evolved for the better, for the positive, because banjinyo benatandika nabo nga sikyabalaba bendaba nebaza mukama nti weebali. So I think I've evolved in a good way and I'm still evolving. I'm nowhere next to what I want to be or become. So I'm still working hard and believing in God and knowing that I'll reach there. Yes.
You still love to be called Baby Gloria or you're going to...
I'm Uganda's baby. I'm Uganda's baby. I'm going to be my husband's baby. I'm my mom's and daddy's baby. Kwegamba, the name baby will never go. I'm a baby. I'm going to be my husband's baby. I tell you, will I be my husband's mom?
That's right.
Soon. Soon. These days my whole comment section is from the ready. Oh, wasa neda si wasa. Why kati namusabira ajja kujja.
Tadaba kujja.
Tambuza bingi.
I thought you either dating or seeing someone.
I don't answer those questions. My advice to them is to keep their dreams burning. They'll eventually come true. Dreams don't lie, but also work hard, be consistent, keep your principles, and always believe in God.
Kale, that is Baby Gloria. Obulamu bwongera okubanga bukyuka for that young girl. I like the fact that despite the fact nti yajja mu industry nga kato, she has maintained her class, she has maintained her ekitiibwa ekyo taswazizza maama we. Waliwo abaana abakula ababadde mu ndongo bakula nga baavaako bye bakula tebikyaswaza oba bikola bitya kwegamba nga abaana bayiga okunywa enjaga. I've seen those kids because fortunately actually ndi omu ku that league groomingiddwa industry no. So it's a tricky one. Bw'oba muto okula weegomba abantu bano ab'amaanyi basereebu bano. So it is very most likely you may be swayed by their characters. Ne weegomba kamiliyoni n'omwagala ennyo n'otandika okuyiga okunywa enjaga n'otandika okwambala nga ye n'otandika okubeera indecent. But despite that, I think she has maintained kewadde ekitiibwa akanaakaana. Paka kati tetunamanya ani ani muninkini waako but kakula kayengera katuuka kitegeeza kekuumye bulungi kuba they are kids we know nga they are all over kalina ono boyfriend kalina ono kalina the gashumbas you know them the shader aliko ono boyfriend you know but her I think I would credit her mom Betty Nachibuka omulimu agukoze bulungi akakozezza bulungi bambi tekatuswaziza Little Tammy ye yagenda Bulaaya gwe katandika naye Little Tammy mumujjukira kale Paul Mugambe ye meya wa Nakawa kakati omukulu ono